This is just a very quick tip for you when it comes to zooming in and out. This kind of follows on from a previous video I did on the topic, and I didn't include this particular tip in that video. So I'm just doing an extra video to sort of add on to that one. Now, you might find that you're zooming in and out a lot, going to specific areas of your project, editing and making changes, etc. And you might end up getting really zoomed in and going into a lot of detail on your project. And a quick tip for you, if you just wanted to get all of your regions in view instantaneously, is to press Z on your keyboard. You might have to press it twice, and that will happen. So it will give you a view where everything is fitting nicely into your window. Another thing you can do as well is you can click on a region, press Z, and that will make it so that that whole region takes up pretty much all the space in a window. So if you quickly wanted to make some changes to a particular section, if you wanted to, you can zoom into that section pretty quickly. You can also highlight multiple regions for this. So if I highlight these regions like that, and then press Z, that will give me that view. So yeah, just a quick little nifty tool that you can use to speed up your workflow and make it a bit more seamless.